Yo, it's D-Dog the GOAT. Bruh, bruh, bruh. So in my previous video, I touched up on all the albums and EPs that have dropped this month already. And it's only the 14th. It's only the 14th and we've received so many quality albums and quality EPs from so many different amazing artists that was just unbelievable to see, honestly. And now it's only the 14th and we're going into this month with even more hardcore albums and more hardcore EPs and shit. So I want to give you guys a little taste of what you're going to be seeing in this SA scene going forward in this month. So we got no one other than Scorva Productions got an album coming out called Alles of Niks. And if you guys don't know who Scorva Productions is, you guys are like Patrick Star, you guys are living under a rock or something, because Scorva is just it. They got 5 members, and these 5 members, every time I listen to one of his own songs, my jaw just drops me, bro. And it stays there until the end of the track. Even at the end of the track when that part is echoing out, it's still there. But anyways, I'm not gonna talk too much about them. I'm gonna just leave that there for you guys to check out. Go check them out if you haven't already. And anyway, second on our list, we got no one other than Anto G. Freestyle King. But yeah, we got Anto G's releasing his album called Funeral Parlor. And oh yeah, don't tell anyone I told you this, nah, because it's supposed to be a secret. I'm gonna be on the album. But yeah, anyways, he's releasing an album called Funeral Parlor. Unfortunately, he won't give me the track list yet to the album, so I can't leak it for you guys, unfortunately. My bad. But yeah, next up on our list, we got your favorite artist, all my fans' favorite artist, Jody Man, boy. Yes, boy, he's got a new EP coming out called Hartkraak. This Bry just dropped the album not so long ago, an EP I mean. He dropped the EP not so long ago, like a couple days ago. And now he's got a hard, new, fresh EP coming out. And already 2 tracks of this EP came out. So you guys should go check these 2 out, because this is fire. But anyways, we got him dropping an EP soon. And I hope you guys didn't forget about these 2, because they haven't been dropping that much music together. But Starboy Freaks, and Cloud Pev is going to be dropping an album soon this month called Trench Kids, and here's the album. Yes, take a good look at that. Take a look, good look at that. Now here's a track list. Take a good look at that. 2 of the tracks of that I've reacted to on my YouTube channel, so go check that out. Link is in the bio. What you waiting for? Also, something I want to tell you guys. Do you know the singer / rapper / dancer / this / that, Jay Scott? Well, this fucking legend is releasing 4 albums. He's been working on 4 albums, go. Where have you seen an artist work on 4 albums at the same time, bro? No, this ain't been done here. But he's doing it. So guys, go check out Jay Scott. Trust me, you won't be disappointed by this man. You won't be disappointed, but just letting you guys know he's got 4 albums coming out. I don't know when, but yeah. Hopefully this month, one of them is going to release. But yo, that was just another music update with D-Dog the GOAT. Hope you guys are going to stay tuned for all these bangers that's going to be dropping back to back. But yeah, I hope you have a blessed day, everybody. Hope you make the most of your day.